What's up, mainframers? Welcome back to the channel. And in this episode, we're going to be looking at the ISPF Line Commands that help you to edit datasets. These little commands can save you time and make you look like a wizard to anyone who's looking over your shoulder. You don't have access to a mainframe? That's not a problem. I got a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules Emulator that runs the MVS 3.8, which is an IBM mainframe software. You can install it and follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. All right, let's take a look at this data set. And the first trick we're going to do a find, and we're going to look for Michael and press enter. Then press F5 to do another find and repeat F5 until you reach to the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to do a change the name Michael, and we're going to change it to Dwayne. And hit enter. Then we can do a F5 for find and press F6 for change. Next, we're going to change back from Dwayne to Michael. So from the command line, we do a shift and F12 to reactivate the previous command. We update the command, and then we just type all at the end to change all occurrences at the same time. Hit enter. And there you have it. For the next example, let's say this time I just want to see all the Michaels. Now to do that, we go to the command line and we say X all to meaning exclude all. Then we do a find Michael and all. Hit enter. And if you want to get rid of all the other lines, you say delete X all. So delete all excludes. And there you have it. In the next example, we'll convert this file into a delimited format that can be easily imported into Excel. We begin by inserting a new line and placing a semicolon in any empty columns. Next, we use the line command C to copy the data, applying the block command OO to overlay the content at both the beginning and at the end of the file. And delete the beginning line, and that's it. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then I'd like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below so that you'll be notified for any future upcoming tutorials coming your way. And don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any other mainframe related topics that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.